Hello, everybody. I want to show a blog system I built for business owners that's designed to be hands off but not careless. It handles in depth research, creates structured blog drafts, and manages the publishing, all while still keeping a human approval step before anything goes live. I'm going to walk through each part briefly so you can kind of see how it works end to end. So, for the research stage, this is the first part of the system. It exists specifically to avoid generic and shallow content. Instead of just generating text, this stage gathers and organizes relevant, trusted information around a topic so the draft that comes later has real content behind it. The idea is that by the time a blog draft is written, the heavy thinking's already been done. This way, the content's grounded and accurate and aligned with what people are actually searching for, not just filler written to hit a word count. So, for stage 2, you have the blog draft agent. Once the research is complete, this system is what creates the full blog draft and uploads it into Google Drive as a Google Doc. This is intentional. There's no special editor or no dashboard that you have to learn, and there's no black box where content's locked away. Each draft is structured, organized, and written like a real blog post would be. There's not just a loose collection of paragraphs. At this point, these are just drafts. You can edit them, rewrite sections, leave comments, or ignore the draft entirely if you don't like it, if it's not a good fit for you. Nothing here is rushed and nothing is published at this stage. Now you have the publishing stage. So for this stage, this is the approval stage. This folder is the control point for the entire system. Nothing publishes unless the draft is intentionally moved into this approved folder. This is what keeps the system safe. Automation's going to handle all the busy work, but in my opinion, you still kind of need a human to make the final decision. So, we're going to move it to the approved folder. And at that stage, the agent would recognize it and see, hey, this is the final stage. So, let's publish and log it in the background. The goal here is consistency. Posts go live reliably without manual steps, copying, or last-minute effort. Once approval happens, there's nothing else for the business owner to manage. This is the end result. The post now goes live on the site. Over time, this consistency is what keeps the site active. It helps search engines recognize it as relevant, and it allows traffic to build instead of stalling. Everything is also logged automatically, so posts aren't getting duplicated and you don't have anything slipping through the cracks. It's designed to be repeatable, organized, and easy to audit. So, that's the full flow. You have research, drafting, approval, and publishing. They all work together in a controlled way. If you guys have any kind of questions or you want to learn more, feel free to reach out.